Who's sleeping in this bed over here?
Green.
Who's that?
What's that?
That's Lowly the worm.
Lolly Worm going. Lolly Worm living.
He's sleeping? Who else is sleeping in this bed over here? Who's that?
The kitty cat going to bed too.
Yes?
Now the kitty cat in this room to bed.
Where are Mommy and Daddy?
Mom and Daddy wake up, sleep. Now Daddy and Mama made coffee. Now, what's that?
That's Lowly the worm.
Lily Worm had coffee too.
Is Hucklecat gonna have some coffee?
Can you have a picture? Can you have a picture with me?
You wanna picture with you? No, you can't see you if you do that.
Can I see?
That's it.